You know that feeling, right? When a song just gets inside you and, well, it changes things. A melody can calm your racing thoughts. A beat can make you feel like you can take on the world. We've all felt it. But what is actually going on in those moments? Is it just a fleeting feeling? Or is our biology itself, our very nervous system, literally being retuned? That's what we're going to explore. Our journey starts not in a science lab, but with this piece of ancient wisdom. Think about that for a second. In many First Nations traditions, the drum isn't just an object making a noise. It's a living presence. It's the heartbeat of Mother Earth, something you connect with, something that connects you to the rhythm of life itself. It's a beautiful, mythopoetic way of knowing. And right there, that's our central question. Is this idea just beautiful poetry, a powerful metaphor our minds create, or is there a deep biological truth hardwired into our very being that backs up this ancient intuition? In this explainer, we're going to spiral between these two ways of seeing the world, the poetic and the scientific, to see where they meet. First off, let's be clear. This idea that music can be medicine, it's not some new age fad. Not at all. In fact, it's one of the most consistent threads you can find throughout all of human history. I mean, look at this. You've got the ancient Greeks, with Pythagoras prescribing specific songs to harmonize the soul. You have Eastern traditions using mantras and singing bowls for centuries to find calm. You see sacred drumming in indigenous cultures all over the world to restore balance. Fast forward to today, and even the American Music Therapy Association calls it a universal language. This isn't just a collection of random anecdotes. It's a coherent pattern, a form of wisdom that keeps pointing to the exact same truth, over and over again, for thousands of years. Okay, so this ancient promise is clear, but how does it stand up when we put it under a modern microscope? Let's shift from the what to the why, and really uncover the neurological code that makes sound such a potent force for making us feel safe. And the key to unlocking this mystery is something called polyvagal theory from Dr. Stephen Porges. Here's the gist. Your nervous system is basically on constant surveillance, scanning your surroundings for clues of either safety or danger. And one of its primary tools for this job, sound. The star of the show here is the vagus nerve. Just think of it like a massive information superhighway connecting your brain to all your vital organs, and it's constantly sending back reports. Are we safe? Is the coast clear? So how does it actually work? Well, when your ears pick up on melodic, flowing sounds, like a soothing voice or a simple lullaby, that's a biological signal for safety. That signal travels down the vagus nerve, which in turn flips the switch on what Porges calls our social engagement system. And that's the state we want to be in. It's where we can connect with others, where our body can finally say, okay, I can relax, I can repair, I can restore. It's a direct, hardwired path from a gentle sound to a feeling of deep safety. And boom, here it is. This is where the ancient, poetic wisdom and modern biology just click together perfectly. For thousands of years, spiritual traditions have said that chanting Om brings a sense of peace. Now, we slide someone into an fMRI machine, and what do we see? We see that chanting literally quiets down the amygdala, the brain's alarm system. It's the exact same truth, just told in two completely different languages. But it's not just about gentle melodies. There's another piece of the puzzle that's absolutely crucial, especially when we're talking about healing from trauma. And that's rhythm. The world-renowned trauma expert Bessel van der Kolk puts it this way. Trauma throws the body's natural internal rhythms into chaos. And if that's the problem, then the solution isn't just about talking about what happened. Real healing means getting that rhythm back, bringing a sense of predictability back into the body, right here in the present moment. And another leading expert, Dr. Bruce Perry, boils it down to 3 simple words. Rhythm is regulating. That's it. Any patterned, repetitive, rhythmic activity, whether it's drumming, dancing, walking, even just steady breathing, sends a primal signal of safety deep into the oldest parts of our brain. It's the same reason rocking a baby is so universally calming. And this isn't just a nice idea. The clinical data is seriously powerful. Just think about it. Introducing music therapy can lead to a 27% drop in depression symptoms. Or look at the ICU, one of the most stressful environments imaginable. Music can reduce the need for powerful sedative drugs by almost 40%. This proves that rhythm isn't just nice to listen to. It is potent, non-invasive medicine.
Peter Levine, the creator of somatic experiencing, gives us this amazing concept called pendulation. It's basically the body's own natural healing music. It's this gentle, rhythmic swing between a small feeling of distress, the contraction, and a feeling of release and expansion. This back and forth allows the nervous system to process tough stuff in small, manageable doses so it doesn't get overwhelmed. It is literally healing through rhythm.
So far, we've been focused on what happens inside one person, but the power of sound gets even bigger, even more profound when we experience it together. This is where we move from self-regulation to co-regulation. The science behind this is a phenomenon called entrainment. It's our body's incredible innate tendency to sync up its own internal clocks with external rhythms. So on a neural level, your brainwaves literally start to fire in time with a beat. On a physical level, your heart rate and breathing can start to follow the phrasing of a piece of music. But then there's the social level, and this is where things get really amazing. Our bodies actually start to sync up with each other. This is just mind-blowing. Scientists have hooked up choir members to heart monitors, and they found that as the group sings together, their heartbeats don't just slow down, they actually synchronize. They literally rise and fall in unison, following the structure of the song. They are getting into rhythm with each other on a deep physiological level. And as researcher Bjorn Vikhoff points out, there's another layer. To sing those long, beautiful phrases, you have to exhale slowly and controlledly. And what is that? It's the exact same kind of regulating breath work you practice in yoga. So when a group sings together, it's not just a concert. It's a massive collective breathing exercise, creating a shared field of calm and safety. So it's no surprise that the clinical evidence is just so incredibly broad and consistent. You look across the board at depression, anxiety, even psychosis and PTSD, and the findings all point in the same direction. Music therapy flat out works. It helps people connect and regulate themselves in ways that words alone often just can't. So we have this ancient, powerful technology of sound. Where do we go from here? Well, the future looks like what happens when you combine this timeless wisdom with some seriously cutting-edge technology. Get ready for a new term, bioadaptive musical environments. This isn't music that just plays for you. This is music that listens to you. It's a real-time sonic conversation between a piece of technology and your own personal biology. I mean, just imagine this, a soundscape that senses your breathing getting faster and automatically shifts its rhythm to gently guide you back to calm, or music that literally adapts to your brainwaves in real time to help you focus or ease you into a deeper sleep. This is the incredible promise of AI-powered music, the ability to tune our nervous systems with a kind of precision and personalization that was never possible before. It's like a new form of entrainment, almost like having a digital shaman in your pocket. But here's the crucial thing to remember. This technology is a tool. The goal is never to replace a human therapist or the incredible power of playing music with other people. The goal is to augment them, to create a supportive sonic foundation that makes the work of human connection and healing even more effective. So, as we've seen, music is so much more than just entertainment. From the ancient, steady heartbeat of a shaman's drum all the way to the responsive code of an adaptive algorithm, it's a fundamental technology, both primordial and futuristic, for directly interacting with and tuning our own biology. It's the bridge that connects the poetic to the scientific. And so we'll leave you with this final thought to take with you. If it's true that sound is constantly tuning your nervous system, what is the soundtrack of your life telling your body right now? And maybe more importantly, what new song are you going to choose to play next?